Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spin mops available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the ultimate premium cleaning experience, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's dive in and see which mop is the right one for you. At number 5, we have the SIMPLI-MAGIC 79349 Spin Mop Cleaning System. This model comes with 3 reusable microfiber mop heads and an extendable stainless steel pole, making it a solid choice for homes and even small businesses. It's designed to work on a variety of floor types, including laminate, hardwood, and tile. The build quality here is decent, with a lightweight aluminum and plastic construction that ensures portability. However, it's somewhat less durable compared to higher-end stainless steel models. One standout feature is how simple and low energy the rinsing mechanism is, which makes wringing the mop head a breeze. The system is effective at picking up dirt and debris, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked options, like dual compartment buckets or built-in scrubbing brushes. While it's a budget-friendly option, with plenty of practical features, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of some other models. This mop is best suited for those who want an affordable and functional cleaning system without many bells and whistles. The downside? Its durability and rinsing efficiency might fall short for more demanding users. Overall, it's a good entry-level spin mop for occasional cleaning tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the Microfiber Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe 360 Spinning Floor Cleaning System. This mop system is packed with practical features, such as a telescoping handle that extends to 62 inches and a durable stainless steel wringer. What sets it apart is the inclusion of 6 microfiber mop heads, which means you won't need replacements for 1 to 2 years. The design is user-friendly with 4 wheels and a pull handle for easy transport, making it ideal for larger homes. The stainless steel and PP material construction ensures this system is durable, while the luxurious design adds a premium touch. It's excellent at wringing out water. Microfiber claims it's 4 times drier than foot pedal systems, which saves you effort and prevents messy floors. However, the system is on the heavier side, weighing 8.6 pounds, and might not be as convenient for quick cleaning tasks. This mop is perfect for people who want a heavy-duty system for thorough cleaning. The additional mop heads are a huge plus, but the higher weight and bulkiness make it less ideal for smaller spaces or quick cleanups. While it's not the most portable option, it's a workhorse for serious cleaning jobs. In third place, we have the True and Tidy TruClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. This mop stands out with its dual compartment bucket design, which keeps clean and dirty water separate for a truly hygienic cleaning experience. It also features a built-in scrubbing brush for tackling stubborn dirt and debris. The overall design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.46 pounds. The stainless steel handle feels sturdy, and the microfiber mop pads are machine washable for added convenience. The 360-degree swivel mop head makes it easy to reach tight spaces and corners. However, the compact bucket size might require more frequent refills for larger cleaning jobs. Additionally, while it's effective for everyday cleaning, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty tasks. This model is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want an innovative and hygienic spin mop system. The dual compartment design is a big win, but the smaller capacity and lack of premium build materials keep it from reaching the top of our list. Still, it's an excellent value for the price, especially for smaller households. At number 2, we have the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. This model has become a household favorite for its simplicity and effectiveness. The standout feature here is the hands-free wringing system, which includes a built-in wringer and splash guard, ensuring a mess-free mopping experience. The microfiber mop head is highly effective at capturing dirt and grime, removing over 99% of bacteria with just water. It's machine washable and reusable, lasting up to 3 months per refill. The triangle-shaped mop head and 360 degrees rotation make it easy to clean corners and hard-to-reach areas. The telescopic handle extends to 48 inches, making it comfortable for users of all heights. This mop offers a fantastic balance of affordability, performance, and ease of use. While it lacks advanced features like separate clean and dirty water compartments, its reliability and efficiency make it an excellent choice for everyday cleaning. It's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants a straightforward and effective cleaning solution. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. This premium model is designed for users who want the ultimate cleaning solution. Its biggest highlight is the dual-chamber bucket system, which ensures you're always mopping with clean water. This feature alone makes it a game-changer for hygiene-focused users. The microfiber mop head is not only machine washable, but also removes 99% of bacteria with just water. The triangular mop head design offers excellent corner cleaning, and the 360 degrees rotation ensures you can easily clean under furniture. The built-in foot pedal allows you to control the moisture level, making it safe for all types of hard flooring. At 6.64 pounds, it's heavier than some other models, but the added weight is worth it for the advanced features. This O-Cedar model is perfect for those who want a premium, hassle-free cleaning experience. It's slightly more expensive, but worth the investment for its superior performance, durability, and innovative design. If you're serious about maintaining a spotless home, this is the mop system for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect spin mop for your needs. Don't forget to check the product links in the description if you want to grab one of these for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment letting us know your favorite, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.